Next topic is packaging. It comes under elements of marketing mix. Yes, in the product mix we have packaging. Product has to be packed very neatly. We used to pack many things. Packaging refers to the process of designing the package. Designing the package such as containers, wrappers, etc. Containers, wrappers. It plays a very significant role in the marketing success or failure of any product, especially for non-durable consumer products. It not only provides protection to the product, but also acts as a promotional tool. Protection and promotional tool. Sometimes customers assess the quality of the product from its packaging. Assess the quality of the product from its packaging. Packaging has played an important role in the success of many products like Colgate toothpaste, Taj Mahal tea, wafers, biscuits. It has been described as a silent salesman. What? Packaging is described as a silent salesman. Now, in connection with that, there are three levels of packaging. Three levels of packaging. How many levels? Three levels of packaging. That is, one is primary package. Primary package refers to product's immediate package. Immediate package. In certain cases, such package is retained till the customer is ready to use the product. For example, plastic packet for socks, while in some other cases such package is used throughout the life of the product, such as bottle carrying jam or tomato sauce, etc. Primary package. All examples must be learned. Second one is secondary package. Primary, secondary. Secondary package is the additional one. The first one is immediate one, is additional packing given to a product to protect it. Such packing is retained till the consumer wants to start using the product. For example, Pear soap usually comes in a cardboard box. Consumer first throws the box when he desires to use it and then discards plastic wrapper to get hold of the soap. So Pears, P-E-A-R-S, pairs or pears. Then we have transportation packaging. Purpose is to transport from India to America, from China to India. Transportation packaging. It refers to packages essential for storing, identifying, or transporting. For example, use of corrugated boxes, wooden crates, etc. It's a very helpful for transportation. So, in connection with that, what are the functions of or uses of packaging? Why these three levels of packaging needed certain cases? Yes, no doubt. Already learned. It's a protection, promotional tool, and assess the quality. Yes. So, functions of packaging. First point, we can see that first, product identification. Package ensures easy identification of a product. Easy identification. Example, Taj Mahal tea can be easily identified from a distance due to its blue color box. Secondly, product protection. Product protection, no doubt. Yes, the most important function of packaging is to ensure protection of a product from spoilage, leakage, breakage, etc. It also ensures effective protection during storage and transportation of a product. Thirdly, facilitating use of a product. Facilitating the use of a product. Packaging helps the customers to easily handle and use the product. For example, tubes or toothpaste, bottles or cold drinks, etc. Then, fourthly, product promotion. Packaging acts as an important promotional tool. The attractive color schemes of photographs used in packing helps in attracting the attention of the people, and producing them to purchase the product. Therefore, it plays the role of silent salesman also. And in connection with that, yes, what's the importance of packaging? Please note it down, underline the heading. Yes, importance of packaging. Yes, first point is that rising standards of health and sanitation, cleanliness, rising standards of health and sanitation. Rising standards of living in the country have resulted in more use of packed goods, and this also reduces the chances of adulteration. Second point, self-service outlets. At present, packaging has occupied a place of silent salesmanship, especially of self-service outlets. Self-service outlets very helpful. Thirdly, it's an innovational opportunity. Innovational opportunity. Yes, what is it? Innovation opportunity. That is various innovative packing ideas, especially in the field of medicines, soft drinks, milk, etc., has increased the scope of marketing of these products. Now pasteurized milk come in packs, which can be stored for few days even. So milk pasteurized 70-degree like that, isn't it? So innovation opportunities and a good packing system. Fourthly, product differentiation. It's also very important word. Product differentiation. Packaging helps in product differentiation. The color, size, material, etc. of the package help the customer to assess the quality of the product. For example, potato wafers of local brand and branded companies give different impact on the minds of the customers, all because of difference in their packing. So we are moving to the topic labeling. What is it? It comes under elements of marketing mix, comes under product mix, labeling. Please note down next topic, connection with that. What's the meaning of labeling? Labeling is the process of putting label on the product. Label, L-A-B-L, label on the product. Label provides detailed information regarding the product, its price, weight, contents, expiry, etc. Label provides detailed information regarding what and what? Regarding information regarding the product, price, weight, contents, expiry date, manufacturing date, etc. Very important. So these 2 points coming, what is labeling? Okay, only 1 point is not enough. And we can see symbol labels and complex graphics labels. Symbol tags, simple ones are there and complex ones also we have. Complex graphics labels. Yes. Symbol tag as in the case of local unbranded products like sugar, wheat, rice, etc. Such labels provide information about regarding sugar, wheat, rice, etc. Complex graphic labels, such labels are found on branded products like Old Spice aftershave lotion, like that complex graphics labels also we can see. So what are the functions of labeling? What are the uses and functions of labeling? What are they? Please underline the heading. First point is complete description of a product. Complete description. Please note it down, underline. It's value word. Description of a product. Labeling provides full details regarding the use, quotients in use, contents, etc. of a product. For example, label of Maggi noodles describe the procedure of cooking. Complete description, procedure of cooking. Secondly, identification of product. It helps in identifying the product among various products available in the market. We can easily identify Head and Shoulders shampoo among various shampoos by the color of its label itself. Thirdly, grading of product. Labeling helps in grading the product in different categories. For example, Sunsilk shampoo comes in different categories such as normal hair, oily hair, dry hair, etc. All these categories have different labels. Grading of product. Example, very good example, typical example I used to find Sunsilk shampoo. Different types of hair, different types of labels. Yes, dry hair, normal hair, like that. Fourthly, we can see the promotion of product. Promotion of product. A carefully designed label helps in attracting the customers and induces them to purchase the product. For example, the label on pack of Britannia 50/50 mentions in different color of 30% free. Promotion of product. Yes. Fifth point, legal information. That's also very important. Legal information. Underline. The last important function performed by labeling is to provide information required by law. For example, statutory warning that smoking is injurious to health on the package of cigarettes. Similarly, appropriate safety warning needs to be put on the label of a product which is hazardous or poisonous. Appropriate safety warning needs to be put on the label of a product which is hazardous or poisonous. Legal information. So today's assignment also by writing the headings of the questions. Assignment is you have to make 3 questions from the points we learned today. Okay. One case study question. In the sales promotion meeting, sales executive of Florence Limited raised several queries regarding branding and labeling of their products. His queries were overlooked by other person, sales manager and Mr. Pankaj, production manager, as they thought they were not so important. Question. Why do you think branding and labeling are important? And I shall say one word answer to you. Branding and labeling help in advertising and promotion of products. What do you think are the important points to be considered in mind while branding? Yes, brand name should be easy to pronounce, suggestive, distinctive, adaptable, versatile, and easy to remember, etc. Brand name. Okay, thank you.